and today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what happened with Bitcoin over the weekend. This massive um, drop that that happened, and the reason that it happened, and what we are doing about it, right? So on Sunday evening, or I'm sorry, on Sunday morning, Bitcoin price dropped about 10.5% from the 62K level to around the 55, 80, 50 level, right? So on the daily, this is what it looks like. This big candle, red candle right here, right? So we're going to focus on these two charts, the daily and the 2 hour chart. These are on the this is also a 2 hour chart, but what I want to show you is basically what happened. What happened was that price in Bitcoin started to fall because there were rumors that the FBI or the SEC, I don't remember which American agency, was charging some financial institutions with money laundering using cryptocurrencies. This made up for a bearish pressure in Bitcoin. Now, that wasn't enough for Bitcoin to drop so sharply and so fast, right? Also, what happened is that there was an explosion in a mine in China that decreased the power for Bitcoin mining, and the hash rate in the blockchain was reduced by 50%, right? Not only that, the hash rate is the mining rate on the blockchain, right? And not only that, but as you can see here, there were about 4.6 billion dollars in long liquidations on the blockchain too, right? This is a massive all-time highs in liquidations on the blockchain. Why did this happen? The reason that it happened is because price in Bitcoin was sharply dropping, right? And there were a lot of long players over leveraging themselves, and their trades and their accounts got liquidated because they were over leveraging, which made for even a further bearish push, etc. Right? So that is what happened with Bitcoin. But we are still very much long in Bitcoin, and we actually bought the dip right here. Let me show you right here. So I'm going to show you that dip buy in Bitcoin, which you could have gotten into yourselves right here. This is where we bought, or where I bought Bitcoin on Sunday, right? Or earlier on, or very late on Saturday. This is where I bought Bitcoin, and currently I'm up. My entry price was 55,400, and the current price is trading at 57,000, right? So my entry price was $55,400 per Bitcoin, and my exit, not my exit, the price is trading right now at 57,000. So that's a big 16,000 pip winner right now, and they're currently targeting these levels right here for my first out, right? Now, this is what we do here, right? We take these flash crashes in the market as opportunities, and the reason that we took that long is pretty simple. If you look at this, and these are just technical levels, this high was and is a very important historic high in Bitcoin prices, right? This is the February 22nd highs right here, and as you already know, when price breaks the previous level, it normally goes and dips to the level before that. And hold on, let me just replicate that line to all my charts so you can better see what I'm talking about right here. So price dropped and it broke with these highs. This is the previous level. I reckon that a lot of longs had their stops below these lows, and also some longs that really don't care about stop losses got liquidated below these levels, right? Now, and the next key level that I was looking at, and the reason that I didn't want to buy here, let me show, because I was watching this as price was going down. The reason that I didn't want to buy here is this, because look at the 50-minute chart, right? That was and is an order breakout, right? So that is, and if I go even lower, look at the 3-minute chart. So that's the flash crash right here, right? I wasn't going to buy that. And yeah, let's go back to the 2-hour chart. And the next key level was, of course, the previous week's lows, which are these lows right here. Well, you can see them right here. This is the indicator. Actually, let's go to the actual chart. Let me just delete all of this, right? And let's play with some support and resistance levels. This area is going to be a little bit longer, but I mean, I'm completely fine with it because this is a very good deep buying opportunity that we took. Remember, do not chase this trade. In my opinion, this trade is gone. I have already reduced my risk a lot. Do not chase this. You might get burned, right? Not only we are testing the previous week's lows, I'm sorry, but we are also inside of what seems to be a very structured bull market right here. If you notice here, this is kind of the very well structured bull run in Bitcoin. And if you clone this right here, you're going to see that. I mean, you can put it whatever you want, but the structured lows are very, very comfortably being retested every single time. This is just structure speaking, right? And if you look at my oscillator, these lows are printing such a bullish divergence that it was a no-brainer to jump in long, right? So yeah, this is what happened with Bitcoin. This is how I reacted to this flash crash. To me, Bitcoin is still very much a bull option to make money off of. And yeah, if you want to get in on this, there's a link below this video to jump into the VIP team. Also, the account that I just showed you right here with Bitcoin longs is our MAM account, right? These are all of the trades on our MAM account. We are currently long in gold, long in Bitcoin, long in the GBP USD, the Euro USD, and the Russell 2000 for a nice 630 profit, right? Our account started around this level, so 600. That's a 3%. That's a 3% gain in open trades, and you can jump in on that too. All you need to do is email support@learntotrade.com. I reckon. Let me show you right here. All right, so here's how you can register to the MAM account. All you have to do is join or open an account with AvaTrade, which is the broker that we use to manage our clients' accounts. Just open it with this link. The minimum deposit is $5,000, right? You do not send us any money at all. This is fully separated. You own that account. We have no we can't withdraw or deposit to your account. We can only trade your funds, right? So all you need to do is, but you have to use these links to be tagged to our MAM. Follow the steps. Choose MetaTrader 4. Choose US dollar as a currency. You upload your ID and your utility bill and proof of attorney field in, as you will do with any account, and then you need to email us at support@learntotrade. I'm sorry, the email address is support@learn2.trade. That you have completed all of the steps, and you are fully verified, and your funds are going to be added to our master account, and I'm going to trade your funds for you and make these massive returns for you. Right? So that's up for today, and thank you for joining in. Remember that the link to open the AvaTrade account is below this video. Also, the link to subscribe to the VIP team, right? So cheers.